So guys, today we're going to be opening Michelangelo, and he can turn into a turtle, and his back can show up, and he can keep like this. And there's Leonardo, there's Raphael, and there's Donatello. So guys, let's go opening it. Opening this. Okay, so here is my turtle. That's hard. Oh, and it comes with little stuff. It comes with this stuff. It comes with two of them. And these are just the stuff that you look at when you don't have the stuff and you want to know which character you have. So let's get opening this card. Come on, Michelangelo. Okay, so got one thing. Oh, here's the second. Here's the third. Okay, so sorry I'm not talking a lot. I just need to open this last bit of it. And then talking. Okay, so okay, so I'm sorry I'm talking still. I just need to get this thing out. There. Easy. So here we have Michelangelo. And my dad's going to zoom in, and let's try and turn him into a turtle. Okay, so here's his stuff. His legs go in here. His turtle, they go in here. These come out, these go in, I think. that. Maybe do that. And oh, here it is. I need to take this, like, right here, this, like, thing. Okay. There. Switch the heads. Oh, I think I got this. I got this. I've got that. So, now for the legs. I think the legs go like back here or something. Oh yeah, they go in the shell. Come on.
Here, let's see. Okay. Hang on, let me see if I'm in if my hands are in frame. They're not. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Okay. Let me see if I can figure this out. Oh, okay, these are like rubber feet. Alright, so that flipped open. And you switch the head. Where's the other turtle legs?
Right here.
Well, I only see one pair of rubber legs here.
No, there's another one.
Oh, here's a little tail. There's a little tiny tail that swings out.
Oh.
The thing is there were no instructions with this, at least that I could see. Can you grab the box and see if there was an instruction in there?
Here it is.
Oh, yay, instructions. Okay, here we go.
We only need the leg.
Let's see, step 1 is to pull down the thing. Step 2, fold out legs. Step 3, rotate tail down. Okay, good, just did all of those. Step 4, pull out and rotate the turtle head. I think you already did that.
Yep, I already did that, see.
Squeeze and slide over. Okay, oh, here we go. Push in head to secure. Yep, did that. And the bandana is like facing down. Then it says fold back arms into shell. Okay, so I guess the arms go. Alright, so we're not worried about the legs. So we're going to fold back the arms and the shell and make sure the thumbs are pointing towards the belly. And, oh, that's really weird. Okay, so then you're supposed to take this is weird. You're supposed to take
Legs.
oh no, you're supposed to then push the tail is out, and you're supposed to push the head or the shell back in. Oh, wow, that's really tight. That doesn't seem right. Oh, I had the elbow done wrong. It's just squeeze in the arm. Oh, how did you open this shell? Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna break this. It says,
we tuck in.
you have to squeeze the shell there to kind of like, and then it bulges up this part off of these clips here, these lighter brown clips. And it looks like the elbows are supposed to be. Oh wait, the elbows
Are out.
Oh, the arms are supposed to kind of like wrap Mikey's head. This is really weird. Okay, so yeah, you really gotta tuck it in here. Okay. Yeah, because these side flaps have to be able to retract back up. Oh, yeah, there you go. Alright. And kind of push in the shoulders. And then the legs become the front turtle legs. Like this. And then these flimsy ones here just kind of flop in the back, and it just looks like just like that. And then you've got yourself a pet turtle. What do you think? What do you think, Dig Deep Gamer brother?
Good.
Yeah, let me zoom in on Mikey if you want to spin him around for everybody. Yeah, can you turn that tail so like it's kind of pointing out more? There you go. Yeah, the back legs are what? They're kind of floppy.
Yeah.
There you go. So what do you think?
Good. It's really ordinary, and I think it's pretty cool. Bye. Hope you had a nice video, and hope you had a nice night. Bye.